Hazur, I had a question. You know how when we go out in the, in colleges and everything, there's like women, alcohol, drugs, all that stuff. How can we, guide ourselves in the right path?
As I've already said, keep yourself away from all these bad things. Do istighfar. Whenever you see such things, you do istighfar. Allah Ta'ala says, Anil lagwi murizun. When you see all this nonsense, just turn your face from them and go to the other way. This is how you can save yourself. Recite A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem repeatedly. And Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh. And offer 5 daily prayers and pray in your prayers that Allah Ta'ala save you from all those bad things, evils of the society. So the society is full of evils nowadays, and they are attracting you. So this is how you can fight with Satan. Now this is the wrestling between you and Satan. And now let's see who wins.
Inshallah, I do.
Inshallah.
Can you please pray that I do?
If you are determined to win, then inshallah you will win.
Inshallah.